In the name of Allah, the most kind, the most merciful. Good morning, class, and Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher, Miss Pakiza Jafri here, and today we will learn about keeping healthy, and our topic is diet and exercise. So we will discuss different food contain different substances which keep us live and grow. So students, some animals need to eat one type of food. A lion might eat meat, it gets everything it needs from the meat. Human needs to eat a lot of different type of foods. Scientists have grouped the food by what they do for our bodies. The picture below show what group the food below belong to. The four main groups are the carbohydrates. Students, the four main groups. Scientists group the food into four main groups. The four main groups are the protein, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. If we eat some food from each of these groups, we have to balance diet and we keep healthy. So, do you want to keep healthy yourself or not? Okay. We can talk about first protein. What is protein? Protein builds, maintain and replace the tissues in our body. Builds, maintain and replace the tissues in our body. What are tissues? These tissues are present in our body. Tissues are present in our cells. So, protein help us to build muscles. Do you want to build your muscles, students? Yeah, we want to build our muscles and we want to keep healthy. Okay, the next food choose by scientists. These are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are one of the three main classes of the food and the source of energy. Carbohydrates give you energy. Carbohydrates give you energy. Okay, I can tell you about this type of the food. So what is your home task? I can assign you a worksheet, and on your worksheet, what you can do, you can firstly you can see on the plate which type of food it contain. So you can write here. This is watermelon, for example. This is including in carbohydrates. For example, this is type of meat and it is including and it is a kind of the proteins. So you can write their names with their types or with their groups in which they are classified. For example, as I tell you earlier, meat are classified into the protein groups and which things are classified into the carbohydrate groups in which is present in your plate. You can write just their names. Okay, you have to complete the following. Protein help us to what I said to you in the start of my lecture. Protein help us to build what thing? Okay, carbohydrate give you, fats give you dash to keep you warm. Fats give you dash. Fats हमें क्या देती हैं? Fat provide us what? That keep you warm. Vitamins and minerals keep your body dash. When you can take the balanced diet and keeping healthy and you want to take the vitamins and mineral, what will be the result? You can write here. Okay, yeah, last one question is, imagine you feel unwell. For example, you are sick. What food group might help you to feel better? Which type of food you can take in your fever or when you are feeling unwell? Imagine weather is very cold. Which food of group will you keep you warm? Okay, imagine that it is very cold today and you are not feeling well due to the cold. Then what type of food you have to take? You can write your answer in this worksheet. Okay students, best of luck and Allah Hafiz.